Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to rotate your screen in Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay, if you want to rotate your screen in Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First of all, go to your desktop as you can see here, right click, select display settings as you can see here. Okay, here guys, scroll down to display orientation. That's it. Okay, it's landscape. You can select here and change to another one. Landscape flipped, portrait flipped. Let's test someone. Okay, as you can see, it's changed. Okay, you can keep it for 7 seconds as you can see here to return to old one. That's it, it's returned. Also you can change to landscape flipped as you can see, and if you want to put this one, click keep this one or revert. Okay, that's it. Or you can select keep change to keep this orientation. Okay, that's it guys. Now I will select revert. Okay, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.